Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make this beautiful party wear anklet of Payal. So, material we will need for these are this bigger stone, this small this big square shaped stone, this small circular stones, this head pin, eye pins, jump rings, bead cape, small white beads, big white beads, this brass wire, pearl chain, this stone chain, and this stone and pearl mixed chain. It has one pearl and one stone, and these small golden beads, and this chain, this canvas paper, and tools we will need are a cutter, a plier and a scissor. So let's start. So first of all, let's make this part, and for this take this stone and with help of this fabric glue stick it on this canvas paper. Now take this stone and pearl chain, this 3, this 5, here I have taken 3 stone and 2 pearl. Now stick this, and for the horizontal line I have taken 2 pearl and 1 stone. Cut this chain as it should come a stone and a pearl alternately. Now take this stone chain. Measure the stone chain so that one stone on the both sides should be excess than that of the previous one. So here we will need 7 stone. Cut one more 7 stone chain. Now stick it. Here we will need 5 stone. So cut 2 string of 5 stone for both the sides. And stick this. Now take this circular stone and stick it on the both sides. Now take this pearl chain and measure it. So here we will need 7 pearls. So cut 2 strings of 7 pearls. Stick both the sides. Now take this stone chain and measure it. Here we will need 10 stones. So cut 2 string of 10 stones. Stick this stone chain on the both the sides. So this part is ready, and let it dry for half an hour to 1 hour. Now after it get completely dried up, cut it out. Now mark one more piece of this. And cut it out. To make this dangling part, we will need this bead cap and this bigger bead and a hat pin. So take this hat pin, insert a bigger bead. Now take a bead cap, insert it. It's quite long to make a loop, so cut the excess wire. Now with the help of round nose plier, make its loop. And for these dangling beads, we will need this brass wire, small golden bead and small white bead. First of all, insert this golden bead and pull this wire and twist it. Now cut required length. Now insert this white bead, fold this wire. We will need 6 more such beads, so I already have made this. Now to fix this chain and these dangling beads, we will need 3 eye pins, 2 in the sides and 1 below this. Now open an eye pin. And insert a smaller dangling bead, then this bigger dangling bead. And 1 more smaller dangling bead. And close this eye pin. Now take this and on the back side stick all the eye pins with the help of glue. But this eye pin is quite longer, so cut the excess part. Now place it here. And these 2 eye pins here, like this. Now stick this piece of canvas sheet over this and press it properly. Press it properly so that all the attachment get fixed in their place, and let it dry for half an hour. Now after it get dried up completely, fix all the attachment. So first of all, take a jump ring and a clasp and 1 smaller dangling bead. Now fix it on the one side of this and close this jump ring. And on another side, open this eye pin loop, insert the dangling bead and this chain. I have measured this chain, it's 22 centimeter, but you can take as per your requirement. Take this jump ring and insert all the remaining dangling beads, that is these 3 dangling beads. Best thing about this Payal or anklet is that it's adjustable and these beads will dangle like this. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like these anklets, and if you really like this, please press the like button. Also share it with your friends and family and comment in the comment box whether you like it or not, or any suggestion you have. Also subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming videos. Friends, these are the flowers I have made in previous videos, and if you want to know how to make it, I am putting its link in the I button. So we'll meet you tomorrow with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.